You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this city in Massachusetts. I believe there is also a town that has this name in Pennsylvania, but it's more famous for being the town, a city in Massachusetts. How do you say it? American English pronunciation in the Middlesex County of Massachusetts. Waltham, Waltham, Waltham. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.